Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Fairfax Food Council. I'm excited to bring you a little insight into what our Food Council is all about. What is the Fairfax Food Council? The Fairfax Food Council is a coalition of community members, nonprofits, faith partners, county agencies, and businesses that advocate for and promote food system and policy changes, benefiting Fairfax communities, especially underserved communities. Ultimately, we work to engage all parts of the food system as we progress towards equitable, healthy food access. Simply put, our mission is to advocate for an equitable, local food system that produces and provides access to nutritious, sustainable, and affordable food for everyone, because here at the Fairfax Food Council, we envision a future with an equitable and sustainable food system where food is valued as a basic human right. Our Food Council values collaboration, integrity, belonging, respect, justice, sustainability, and equity. These values are at the core of what we do.
We've covered what the Fairfax Food Council is. Now let's cover what we actually do. Essentially, the Fairfax Food Council is a food system hub. What I mean by that is the council serves as a gathering place for many diverse organizations and individuals within Fairfax County to learn about ongoing and upcoming efforts within the county, region, and nation, access a space for deeper conversations, connections, and collaborations, gain opportunities to positively impact production and access to nutritious, equitable, sustainable, and affordable food for all in Fairfax County, and connect to a vast and diverse network of food system actors. In order to provide these spaces and work toward our vision, the Fairfax Food Council creates work groups and task forces. Currently, we have a food access and literacy work group, an urban agriculture work group, a community voice task force, and a policy task force. Let's explore each of these groups a little more.
The Food Access and Literacy Work Group facilitates information sharing to produce collaborative and innovative initiatives to increase the number of healthy food access points in the Fairfax community, especially in the areas of highest need. This group also values making food literacy and nutrition education programming available through a variety of avenues.
The Urban Agriculture Work Group supports local food production to improve the community's environmental, economic, and human health. This work group envisions a healthy Fairfax County, Fairfax City, and Falls Church City where fresh food is grown within walking distance of every kitchen.
The Community Voice Task Force's mission is to look at the food system through a more broad and holistic lens to better identify and include the voices of food system actors who have historically not been seen, heard, or engaged with by the Fairfax Food Council. The goal is to elevate voices and build and maintain trust that leads to transformative instead of transactional relationships. This helps to create and sustain an equitable and just food system in Fairfax County.
The Policy Task Force has been convening since early 2024. Its purpose and objectives center on the identification, prioritization, advocacy, development, and promotion of policy issues and recommendations that improve and positively impact food production and access to nutritious, equitable, sustainable, and affordable food for everyone in Fairfax County.
We've briefly described each of these work groups and task forces, but you can learn more about them in the Fairfax Food Council's work groups and task forces module video. Also, if, in this brief description, you've heard a topic you are passionate about, feel free to join our Food Council meetings. Any member of the community is welcome to attend our meetings and is encouraged to actively engage with our work groups or task forces in support of the Food Council's mission, vision, values, and work. Those who have joined and engaged with the Fairfax Food Council have had positive experiences and benefited greatly. Here are a few testimonials.
Our participation on the Food Council has led to important partnerships, provided numerous opportunities for collaboration, and has led to the overall enhancement of our work toward building a more equitable and sustainable local food system.
Our participation in the Fairfax Food Council has strengthened our links with diverse organizations who are dedicated to improving the Fairfax County food system.
Since engaging with the Food Council, our work supporting our food entrepreneur clients has truly benefited. We feel more in tune to the needs of our community and are more knowledgeable about the diverse resources we can use to help small food businesses grow.
If you would like to join the Fairfax Food Council or subscribe to a work group or task force to receive meeting invitations, notes, and other relevant emails, scan this QR code. You can also subscribe to the Fairfax Food Council's newsletter. Just scan this QR code and you will find our Food Council newsletter listed under the Health and Human Services section. This now concludes the brief overview of the Fairfax Food Council module video. We hope that learning more about the Fairfax Food Council encourages you to get actively involved in making a difference within our food system. Thank you for watching.